Hi guys, it's Lucine here, and I'm just taking a walk in the park. This is a beautiful trail that I usually take in the summer. It's a trail that takes us from around Eglinton, Mount Pleasant, all the way down to the Evergreen Brickworks. In the summer it's beautiful, but in the winter, wow, this is like amazing, and it's like hardcore. Look at this weather, it's so beautiful. It just started snowing and I thought, maybe I should take the bus home, but then I figured no. This is like the best time to be outside. Take a look at this. This is awesome. There's nobody here, just a few people with kids, but I wanted to talk about how important it is to be in nature. Whether it's really cold and winter snowy or it's beautiful sunny weather, it's so important to spend some time in nature and just be in this moment, because nature grounds us. It makes us feel good, and it's just so energizing. I've been really tired the whole week, and I felt today being here in this beautiful scenery really grounds me and gives me so much energy. And like, this is so awesome. I'm gonna go make a snowman. So you guys at home, please get your butts off your chairs and come and enjoy the weather a little bit. Forget your cars, just go for a walk. It's so awesome. I ate so much snow today. So, I don't even need water. Anyway, have a good time, and hi and bye.